Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Our lesson today will be about reflection of light. Today we'll start to know what is the meaning of reflection of light. Before I will start, you should to know light is a part from electromagnetic waves. And the electromagnetic waves from the name, it consists of two fields, electric and magnetic field. So light waves, it consists of electric and magnetic fields. And there is many branch and many types from electromagnetic. Electromagnetic waves, it can be radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays. Each one of them, they are different in frequency and wavelengths. But our lesson today is about the visible light. Visible light, which is consist of spectrum from many lights. And we should know also the speed of light is 300,000 meters per second. Light, I told you before, light is apart from electromagnetic waves. Light helps us to see the object. When light falls on the object, it will reflect back to our eye. Light is traveled in a straight line, like shadow. So light, it's moving in a line, in a straight line. Reflection. What does it mean of reflection? From the pictures in front of you now, you can know or you can understand what is the meaning of reflection. Reflection means the picture is reflected to your eye. Reflection definition is when the light coming in one object, the surface, if the surface is smooth or shiny like a glass, water or polished metal, the light will reflect at the same angle. Take care about that. The light will reflect in the same angle and it's hit the surface. This is called specular reflection. So the reflection from the picture in front of your eye now means the picture will reflected to your eye. The same pictures, the same details will come to you when the surface is smooth and shiny. So according to the surface is smooth and shiny or whatever, you should to understand what is the difference between specular reflections and diffuse reflections. Specular reflection is something when the surface is smooth. So specular reflection is caused by smooth surface in which parallel lights rays are reflected in parallel. So we are still now explaining what is the difference between specular and diffuse. Specular when it's a smooth surface. Diffuse reflection, it's caused when the surface is not smooth, it's scattering. When the surface is rough, so it's called diffuse reflections. And you can notice the difference between these two pictures here. One surface is smooth and another one is scattering. Okay? So reflection of light, when the picture will reflect it to your eye, and there is two types of reflection. It can be specular reflection when it's smooth, and diffuse reflection when you have a rough surface. So reflection of light, again, when it will happen, when light fall on high polished surface, when it's smooth and shiny surface like a mirror. So what it will happen when the surface is the same mirror, the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. Thank you. And next step, inshallah, we'll speak about what is the law of reflection of light and how we can calculate the angle of incidence. Thank you. See you later.